Welcome back to our tutorial on how to add images to your blog post. So let's get started. So we're going to make a space in the very beginning, and we're going to click on the Add Media button. Now this is going to bring up all the media that are currently uploaded to your website. So we can either pick something from here or we can upload a file. So right now we're in the media library, and then this is the upload where we can select a file. So let's pick an image to add to the beginning of our blog post. We simply select the image we want. Once we have the image selected, over on the right side you're going to see all the information. It's a good idea to add a caption and alt text in the description. This helps Google when it's trying to rank where this image belongs. So once you have all your alt text and descriptions in, you're going to want to select the actual alignment of the image. So you can select from left, right, or center, and then you can tell it where to link. We're going to link it to the media file, which is the actual image. So when somebody clicks on it, it actually opens up the larger image. And then we're going to select the size of the image we want to use. So typically you're going to use a medium or large image, and then you can insert to post. After you insert it into the post, you can actually resize it by just clicking on the side buttons and dragging it like this. So now we're going to go down halfway about, and we're going to put a space, and we're going to try to add another image. This time let's search for an image on the internet. So we're going to try to get an image that's related to this post. So we'll simply do a Google search, and we're going to search for business concrete stamping. And then we're going to go over to images. And at this point, we're going to try to find an image that would work well on this post. Now, this is an optional step. You don't have to find somebody else's images. You can use all your 100% your images. I'm just showing you different ways to find images that you can use. Another thing that you might want to think of if you can't find the image in the right size, which means it's going to be a poor quality, you might want to actually go to the website so you get the full quality image. And same idea, you find the image, you right click on it and go to Save Picture As, and you're going to save it to your computer somewhere. Make sure you name it something, and then click Save. Now that you have the image saved, we're going to have to upload it to your website. So you're going to click on the Upload Files, you're going to select the file you just downloaded, and you can click Open. And at this point it's uploading to your web server, and we're going to have basically the same options. You're going to want to select where you want to align it and what size you want to put it into the post. Once you have that, you can insert into post. And then again, you can manually resize it to the size you actually want. And that's it. That's how you add images into your posts to make it look a little bit better. So make sure you save it, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.